This is Dr. Allison Cohn with AC Chiropractic, and here's your tidbit for the day. So one thing we all do is sneeze. Every so often, especially if you live in Texas, you're going to have allergies, you're going to sneeze. You want to make sure that you don't do the usual chewy and like this, because that torsion in your thoracics and rotation, that's 200 pounds of force that you're blowing through there, and you don't want to pull a rib or strain a muscle doing that. So the best way to do a sneeze is just to go forward, bend the knees when you sneeze. Go forward, let it come through. Ideally have a tissue or something. If you don't, just let it go. Personally, I run out of a room, go sneeze, and come back in. Have a good day. Bye-bye.